appeal to all citizens of Manipur to follow traffic rules, wear helmets and seat belts, avoid speeding and drunk driving, respect pedestrians and fellow road users.
Thasigi manungda Manipur State Transport Bus Service hauna patharang lady hand transport department additional subsecretary Anurag Vaswai phongdokre National Road Safety Month 2026 kamari lenina strengthening media partnership for safer roads have timda ngasi nitaba sutek laiba di IFRE conference wala pangthokiba media sensitization program da wafam asi phongdokibani Anurag Vaswai makha taraduna traffic congestion hanthana ba mapandagi sangla papo truck sing Imphal City banungda ayu pung 3 tagi namidang pung 10 phawba sang mada thingba thamle Manipur state ki oina hokiba chahi 3 lom asida lambi ki accident baram warga mi sipi sang asi sada kumapan oiri Manipur ki data asi all India data ga sangdam dabda Manipur da accident ki sang wangli IPR na sahi khudingi media sing the state award piriba si transport department sponsored tawrakani nakalamramda media sensitization program se thasi amadi horga kuntra mathoi phawa pangthokadaba National Road Safety Month 2026 ki saruk amoina pangthokpani media na road safety ki matha na miya mungkyan tahan ba mapungoi pathodang lopi wahan additional secretary na appeal torkli media sensitization program of the transport department director Kuman Them Daina IPR ki director Ngangom Utam All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amzu ki president Asem Bhakta Editors Guild Manipur ki president Khogendra Khomdra transport amadi IPR ki makok thong officials sing amadi staff sing amadi tongan media firms sing bihut sing na sarugyaki
I appeal to all citizens of Manipur to follow traffic rules, wear helmets and seat belts, avoid speeding and drunk driving, respect pedestrians and fellow road users. I also call upon the parents through you all, teachers also, community leaders and especially the all executives as well, I must say executives as well, to reinforce these messages consistently. Let us remember that the road safety is not about fines or enforcement alone. It is about saving lives. With collective effort, responsible media engagement and public cooperation, we can make Manipur's roads safer for everyone.